How long does it take for the pit resin to cure comes up a lot. So here's a quick unedited clip showing the curing process. I will apply 1 drop of our Premium Bond 3000 pit resin, apply a curing tab, and cure it with our Elite Plus LED UV light. The Elite Plus is powerful with 7 inline LEDs, and it has a rechargeable battery pack, or it can be powered in 12, 120, or 240 volts. But back to the curing process. There you have it, the pit resin has been cured in 12 seconds. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to see a certain video made, don't hesitate to contact us.